Work's been really hard lately. Every time I go to lunch, somebody take my clients. So now, I'm gonna sit in the car and eat and wait for the clients. They walk in, I can snatch them. I'm not about to lose the client over lunch. Sitting right here, the moment I see anybody come in, all the other nail tech, they can't say shit. Last time I went to lunch, it was supposed to be my turn, but the moment I step out the shop, they skip my turn. I even put my name down on the waiting list, saying that I got next in line. Last time came back, broke as hell right now. Even if I go into the back and eat, they don't see me at present. They think I'm out for lunch, skip on me too. I'm not losing no client over nobody. Hold on. How you doing?
Good. What are you doing? Recording me?
You need your nails done?
Do I need what?
Do you need your nails done today?
I do.
I'm ready for you.